connect sa Paknaan. Dyan, Konsolasyon. Yan dyan. Konsolasyon na yan dyan. Konsolasyon, and then that part is Lapu-Lapu, Mandawi. Mandawi na yan, ay Lapu-Lapu. Mandawi na yan dyan. Paknaan, Mandawi. This message is held to review. Tingnan ko nga yung ano. Hindi pala siya ano. Hidden by Haggard's Peace. Shout out, na-delete ko yung video. Na-delete ay yung message, na-delete ko. Sorry, na-delete ko yung video. Hindi ko kasi masyadong maklar. Sorry, I was deleting the, na-delete ko yung message from kasi masyadong clear yung ano, yung message. Sorry for deleting the message. Na-delete ko siya. Medyo ay yung dagat dito is hindi siya yung tawag dyan, hindi siya malinaw. Malinaw yung dagat dito, pero maraming isda dito, maraming isda, limang, ipon, sayang, ipon, yung migratory boat, ayun, yung may mga ano doon, may mga nag-aantayan ng low tide. They are waiting for low tide this coming 6 p.m. in the afternoon or 7 p.m. I think 7 p.m. is low tide here. 7 million people in the house. Shout out. Thank you for dropping by. They are catching fish. There is a small island there. Yan. A small island. Small island because of Typhoon Odette. Because of Typhoon Odette, there is a small island, and that one, nobody's claim that. That boat is nobody's claim. I don't know. That boat is kasagsagan pa yan ng ano, kasagsagan pa na bagyong Odette. Yung dalawang yan, di pa nakatanggal. Tagalog na lang ako kasi nahihirapan ako sa kalisod. Ayun na, may aeroplano, papaano na siya. Yung sa paano na yan siya pa landing. Look at the clouds. The rain is coming. There's something rain later. The bird. Look at the bird. Migratory bird. The rain is coming. Hope soon is ulan siya. Ayan o, nagabang tayo dito ng ano, lakas ng ulan. Ayan, konti lang yung sasakyan today. Bigyan love shout out sa lahat dyan.